Okay, so I've put some more soil in, as you can see. And even though, so I've got these beautiful, beautiful money plants that my mum gave me, and it's literally when I have a bit of greenery going into the spring of 2019, and it would grow into beautiful plants. So I've just taken the shoots off the bottom, and I'm just going to go and plant these up, put these out in the rain, just to, I'm not even talking about hardening it off. I'm not even a proper gardener. I just like to have nature and greenery around me. So I'm just attempting to see whether I can replicate. Here we go. So let's do this. Nothing. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to stick it in. Monday motivation, something that you don't. This is my fitness for today. I think I've had a big fitness weekend. Lugging. There we go. My index finger. I've made a hole. And I'm going to plant this deep enough. Let this hang over the side so it doesn't hit the soil too much. Plant that deep enough so that it can begin to bed in. There we go. Put it like that. And then I'm going to make another hole, my index finger there, and plug that one in, and just put that in there, and let that hang over the side a little bit so it doesn't touch the drip too much. Just let the dirt. So I think I'm going to say have my cup of tea and then move on to make some shea butter recipes. But I thought I'd do this first just to connect with nature, and knowing that, you know, those tasks that you just put off and it's like, actually this needs to be done because otherwise this will dry out so much. So I'm going to put also this other one in. Let me put this one in. I think I'm going to make them all overhang so that doesn't, then I will move them over the next few months. I'll put this outside, let that water. I'm quite pleased with that as well. I better go and get my aloe vera in the bathroom and do the same. Fortunately, my ivy, got loads of ivy, that's gone because I definitely forgot to water them. That's in the bathroom. But hey, I feel better doing this now. Thanks, Precious, for these beautiful plants. I appreciate. Don't always know that I feel better. I've done that now, so it's a job that's done. Oh, yes, I know it's a job that's done, so let's move it forward, isn't it? Let's move forward. Let's make progress. Get it done, even though those jobs you're thinking, oh my gosh, don't want to do them. You go in the garden and it's all dismal. You're thinking, oh, look at that. What can I be doing? So yeah, could just be snuggling up, thinking about how you're going to get on with the rest of your working week, or you can actually take action and make your week happen on your own terms. There we go. It's done.